What's up, YouTube? So today we have something a little different. It is a little chilly out here in Louisville, Kentucky, so we got the jacket on, but we got this Challenger Scatpack. So this is one with the 6.4, and this car is pretty much brand new. It has 4,000 miles on it. Bright green. Man, one thing that I've never liked about these Scatpacks, these seats. Come on now, these should have came with at least a leather option or something, and maybe a different steering wheel from the RT, you know, but oh well, they don't make these anymore. So you got the sunroof and everything on there. But yeah, this car is pretty much brand new. It has 4,000 miles on there. On this, we're going to be doing a mid muffler delete. So right now it's pretty much no exhaust sound. So let me get y'all kind of what it sounds like now and what it's going to sound like after. All right, so this is what it's sounding like now. Full stock exhaust. Too shabby, to be honest. That sounds decent, but obviously these 6.4s with the muffler delete are outrageously loud. So that's kind of what we're gonna do right now. And then from inside the car, this is kind of how it sounds with the stock exhaust, windows up. To be honest, these Scatpacks, they come, the exhaust sounds pretty good for a stock exhaust on these. It is a big ass engine, 6.4, so go ahead and get in my way. Okay, that's cool. But yeah, there's not really too much drone inside of here. Going under a little bridge, give it a little gas. Doesn't sound like anything too crazy, you know, not too loud. But once we get this muffler deleted, it's going to be a completely different beast. But yeah, let's get into it and I'll show you guys what it sounds like after. All right, so now we actually went mid muffler and resonator delete on this one. It's actually not as obnoxious as I thought that it was going to be. So here in the rear, we got the resonator and the rear mufflers, so you guys can see all four of them. But let's get right into it on how it sounds. Go ahead and put this here. And start it up. That is a whole lot better. And like I said, it is not too crazy. It is not obnoxious. Give it a couple revs. good sounding exhaust right there. I don't know how I feel about the color though. It is definitely a eye catcher, you know. You're not getting away from the cops in this one. But yeah, let's take it on a little spin down the road so we can kind of see how everything sounds inside of the car. The drone isn't horrible. For the people that don't know the term drone, it is kind of like the sound that you hear inside. It's not crazy. Yeah, because some cars, it's to the point the drone is so loud inside the cabin that you can't even have a conversation with the person next to you from how loud the exhaust is. It's like you got to be screaming at each other. But let's see, it started off really cold, now it's hot. Good thing these Scatpacks, they got cooled, heated and cooled seats. But yeah, let's give it some gas. I don't know how well the mic is capturing the sound, but to me this is perfect. It's not too loud, but also not too quiet. And I'm sure the cold starts on this are lethal in the mornings. But let's roll down the window a little bit, both of them. See if we can catch some more of that exhaust sound. And also another thing, now that it has both deleted, kind of has like a little bit of popping to it as well on the downshifts. Let me see if I can get a little bit of that. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to get it with the how much sound is in here. But yeah, anybody that's looking to get some work like this done to their car, mid muffler and rear resonator delete sounds pretty good in my opinion. Like I said, this is a Dodge Challenger Scatpack with the 6.4. Now what would really make this thing sound really good would be long tube headers. That would complete the sound on this car. It would be crazy loud. I don't know, some people like it, some people don't. I am one of those people that I do like it. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Dodge Challenger Scatpack, mid muffler and resonator delete.